Hello everybody, and this is, well, I guess welcome to progress report number 25. Big 25. Thank you so much for getting us here. Today I'm going to show you what I've built, and that is the hips. I've built the pelvic region of Nosy. That's what I worked on today. Also in the last progress report I began that process. I will show you here. This is where I'm at with the pelvic region. I have not attached it yet to the thighs because I am packing Nosy to ship it to Massachusetts now. So here we come, any Massachusetts, Massholes. That's where I'm going next. That's where I will be working on Nosy, and that's where I'll be going to college. But let me walk you through. Everything else is pretty much the same as it has been. I brought the arms out. I'll show you this before. The arms have come in from the living room, from the movie night video, which was pretty fun. Did very well. You should check it out if you haven't seen it yet. But I brought the arms in off the couch. The legs have been in since yesterday. I guess that would have been 2 days ago. Yikes. But these here, this is what it'll look like, right? So we have hips, you got it, visualize, yes. Okay, I'm gonna pull them off for now. They are very heavy, which is good. I'm glad they're heavy. It'll be a great base for the torso. These swivel like this, these swivel like this, and these swivel like this. Just like, it's kind of like bike pedals if you want to think about it that way. This gives us that the ability to look like we're running or walking. One moves this way, one moves this way, vice versa. This happen at the same time. It's kind of difficult for me to do it with one hand. But when it is standing, that's how the hips will be situated, with the legs dropping off from the base of these swivels. That means the leg will be able to kick outwards like this and that. I am welding in swim trunks today. Please don't do this. I know what I'm doing, but I still burn myself. It's not a good look when you're running around because there's sparks in your pants and you have swim trunks on. It's just not. It's like a double whammy. So don't do what I do, but it is very hot. It's in the 90s. It was 94 degrees when I was welding today. And I did it, but it was tough. I'm ready to go to Boston. It's a little colder there. But yeah, guys, here's a look at the hands and my welding helmet that I use. We'll put that here for now. But here we have fingers, finger movement, finger range, and they are all identical except the lengths are a little bit varied between them. Middle finger is the longest, pointer second longest, and pinky third. They are held in with this hardware here, the spring linkages on the top knuckle. This bolt is removable, as you can see. To switch the springs out, make them stronger, make them less strong, whatever you want. Make them stronger, of course. And the fingertips. Blunt, but looking cool. Just a similar vibe. We want this angular look across Nosy, so we have it in the knees, just throughout. Obviously in the hips, we have a very angular look for the pelvic region. This is inspired heavily by, the human pelvic bone. I did take some creative liberties with the way it kind of looks. It's a little over-engineered. Still functional, obviously, but did not need to be this complicated, I'm realizing. I'm going to have plenty of leftover, well, not leftover, but hinges and swivels I'm going to use down the line working on this project. Our friends, I don't know, they just showed up. Yeah, I need to probably look into that, but we have them here now. I thought I left them in Maine. And our bike is our very sweet but temporary source of illumination. We'll still continue working on the upper thighs once we mount them. These are 1/4-inch holes, and I've drilled the corresponding 1/4-inch holes into this plate steel here, which we also did today. I haven't talked about that yet. So let's bring the legs up to a standing upright position. This will give the video some good variation to it. So that they balance. The legs balance themselves surprisingly well. Let's bring up the full, fully standing for your viewing pleasure. And I'll do the second one. But yeah, guys, those are the legs. They are right here. I can prove I'm holding my arm perfectly outright, but I welded these linkages across on either side, very strong quality welds, mind you, that ensure that this won't warp inward when the entire weight of the torso and head, shoulders, and arms are effectively on them. So having just that 90-degree angle, as well as the linkages that'll drop down into the thigh once I keep working on them in Boston. I keep saying this, I want you to know I'm moving. It shouldn't be no surprise when it happens, or when there's a little bit of a break. I'm literally flying out this upcoming Friday, at the time of posting, obviously. So those will be mounted there. This unit sitting on top, you can kind of visualize that. I don't think I can pick it up with just, I mean, yes, I just don't want to drop, I don't want to drop the project, right now. It's because it's loud, you know, I don't want to wake the neighbors up. I've been grounding my table with this here too. But yeah, guys, this is where we're at now. We have the legs fully upright, these new cross beams, unwarpable, undamageable, and you know, very sturdy and strong for the entire weight of the rest of the project. But these are the hips. I think they look really, really nice. Here's a front-on view of the hips. I'll add more decoration to just, you know, make it look more like hips or a pelvic bone, and then also it'll be a great root for the pistons and whatnot that need to be rooted onto it. This will be piston mounting on top of there, and the wiring will feed down through. That's why I made it hollow. But yeah, guys, we have that fast, snappy rotation that we're looking for in these joints. We want the smooth rotations there, and then here as well. We have rotations there, here. This one's still a little warm. I've been working on it recently. Just like that, guys. And there's the arms and whatnot. But this is report number 25. We've made it here. I feel like I've delivered on the quality throughout. I hope. Let me know if I'm wrong. Yeah, Nosy does have a serial number on the back side of the hips. This is the back. So if I rotate this, we have a more accurate look. But it is -799 on the back. So remember that for lore purposes, obviously. And I'll probably add these on either side of the ankle. These systems, just like this hardware piece, and we'll put it on either side of the ankle to secure the feet from rotating now, because they don't need to, because the hips do. The whole leg does, which is more accurate. But having those linkages will make the legs look really neat as well. Those shiny pieces, and those will be spread out on each joint. But yeah, guys, I'm going to end it here. I hope you all have enjoyed the video. I have enjoyed making it, and I will see you soon from Boston while I'm in college. And that seems like a wild, you know, like we've done this throughout the whole summer now. This is bringing it to an end, this video. 25 progress reports, you know, 3 months. And I started with around 2,000 followers, and you can check the account where we're at now. We have made insane progress I didn't, you know, really imagine possible this summer. So I thank you guys for that, and I really do appreciate it. And I want to show you more of what I can do. That's what this account is going to be. It's going to be me showcasing projects just like this. I'll complete this one and I'll work on something new. I want to make art for you guys and, you know, for the world to see. I want to display it publicly, hopefully in a gallery space. You know, I'd probably call it something like CITRA Ranch or something like that. And just like have it be a public space or whatever to come view, or like more of a maybe a gallery if you have we'll see. Definitely far into the future, but big things to come in short. I'm, you know, taking a lot of studio art classes and working with my college's art department to make this thing happen as well. So stay tuned for, you know, more fun things like this. Hope you all have a great night. you know, happy sleep as usual. And I will see you all soon from a brand new location. And stay tuned. Join YouTube if you've made it this far. Go join the YouTube. Stay tuned for some Let's Plays, some streaming with my friends, some videos of me playing video games with my friends, etc. I have friends and we play video games together, so I'd love to show you guys that too, as well as, you know, some drawing content, some motorcycle content, and other stuff. Music content, of course. Hope you have a great night. Spokojnej nocy, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.